Today we're going to be cleaning my car using a waterless car washing system from Chemical Guys. It's got a Mr. Sprayer atomizer bottle and the waterless cleaner, and we're going to use that today with some distilled water and clean my Mk6 Golf R. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's go.
So we're starting with the Mr. Sprayer bottle. I got in the kit 6 of these microfiber workhorse cloths. Wow, I remember the name. Also the EcoSmart waterless car wash, the concentrate. One right here. I think you get 2 washes out of this. I was gonna use these to focus on like the rubber trim around the car, but we'll do that on another wash. Distilled water. Ooh. Let's try it. Let's take the bottle out. No, it's on. It's on. It's on pretty tight. A little microfiberness here. We're gonna fold it in 4 so we can get maximum application. All right, this is gonna be my first time trying it out, so let's go ahead and give it a couple pumps. Oh wow, dang, that's pretty good. So I'm just like, I guess, wasting this product right now, but as you can tell, it has been spraying for a very long time and it's still going. This is how they did it online when I watched the tutorial. You were just supposed to wipe the cleaning solution off of the car, and as it sits on top of your car, it emulsifies and catches all of the embedded dirt into the solution and raises it off of your car so that it doesn't scratch the surface. You can alternate and change your rags, microfiber cloths. I guess when they're pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flip this side and get it down here. What happens after the first initial wipe is that this product also has carnauba wax in it, so it's supposed to haze up, and then you go back over it and buff it to a shine. So this part here, the waterless car washing, is just to remove all of the embedded dirt, and then you get a shine from it after the fact. Now I think I could have like flipped this microfiber cloth over a little bit earlier, but I'm a little bit nervous about only having 6 of them. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and let that haze up. Also, if you have tight spacing, this will work for you. Product. It's a good system. The Golf R got pretty clean. I'm impressed with it. I did re-wash the car. This Florida heat baked on a lot of dust and crust onto this car. So come here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Love bugs that are still stuck there. Oh yeah. It's kind of stuck on there pretty hard. Oh, it came off a little bit better. Good. I feel like I'm glistening in the sun. Next time when I wash the car, I am not gonna focus on the windows first or at all. I'll just use like a window cleaner. Just focus on the body of the car. That would speed up this process. I know you want to go to Sprouts, but I want a burger. I'm hungry. Just finished cleaning the car with Chemical Guy's Waterless car wash system using their Mr. Sprayer bottle, which you've seen. I'm gonna rate this thing a 9 out of 10. The only reason it's not a 10 is because I did have a love bug that got stuck on here and it stayed. Due to the environment that I'm in, I live in Florida, the sun bakes everything onto the car, and I think the last time I actually washed this car was like Memorial Day. So I think it did a great job. That's about it, man. Let's check it out.